Hi, I'm Jeff, and here's a quick video tour of the condition of my 2013 Suzuki V-Strom 650 ABS Expedition. I have separate videos that cover the accessories and equipment and the electrical and it running. This is just to give you an idea of the overall condition. We'll get the bad news out of the way first. The only damage on the entire bike are tiny little scratches on these steel engine guards from the previous owner doing a dead stop gentle drop on each side when he was on gravel and his feet slipped. This side's a little worse, but as you can see, there is zero velocity to these scratches. That's it. There is absolutely no other damage. There isn't even cracks in the signal light lenses. There aren't scratches on the bodywork or the windshield. There are no chips. So I'll just go around slowly so you can see the red parts of the body are fairly new this year, 3M vinyl wrap. Underneath that is the factory white, which I do have photos of it just before it got wrapped in absolutely excellent condition. I can send you those. So if you don't like the red, you can peel it off and you've got a brand new white bike underneath. Absolutely no oil leaks. You can tell I keep this baby pretty clean. Foot pegs are like new still. Up underneath, clean, no leaks, nothing wrong with the forks, no signs of leak. It has all the legal equipment, the reflectors, where they should be, and all that sort of stuff. Top case, all nice shape. I do have the side cases removed for this video, so you can clearly see the side cases are up there on the shelf. Rear tire, Michelin Anarchy Adventure, has I think about 2,000 kilometers on it. It's in great shape. Chain, excellent condition. As you can see, it is not close to having used up its life. It's got lots of adjustment left there. Sprockets are literally like new. I do clean and lubricate the chain regularly. Everything else underneath is good condition. No damage, no scratches. No rips. Just got you have a good look at the condition. No visible signs at all of any oil leaks. This thing's never leaked a single drop of anything. Now there's some 3M clear here on the tank to keep your zipper from scratching it. Hope I'm not going too fast, but I think I'm giving you a pretty good look so you can see there is zero damage. Both brake discs are great. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but the pads are good too. Factory oil filter, of course, as always. And there you have it, one excellent condition V-Strom, and the side bags, they are also like new. If anything, they have a little dirt on the bottom. No damage. And as I said, I'm also going to have videos of the equipment and the electrical and running.